Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word precautionary. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The company took precautionary measures to prevent any potential security breaches. Precautionary refers to actions taken to prevent harm, injury, or danger before they occur, in order to reduce or eliminate potential risks or hazards. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.